Representative of the Islamic Republic of Iran, Her Excellency Olad Qobad, she's head of the Women's Fraction in Parliament and a Member of Parliament. You have the floor, Your Excellency.
In the name of God, Madam Chair, ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, allow me to express my thanks to the Chair of the 63rd session and to the Executive Director of UN Women and the team for all the preparations. Madam Chair, Iranians just recently marked the 40th anniversary of their Islamic Revolution. People of Iran who have come a long way to embrace freedom created an Islamic Republic based on the principles of independence, freedom, democracy, rule of law, and human rights. Iran and Iranians, especially women, have never broken in the face of the storms of the events. They demonstrated their unwavering resilience during the past 40 years and have shown that they can overcome any obstacles and hardships that may stand in their way. We conceive this occasion as an opportunity to have a self-evaluation of parts of our national efforts and achievements in the promotion of the status of women and girls and their empowerment in both social and individual spheres. Believing strongly in the significance and central role of women and girls in any prosperous society, they have been viewed as agents of development and entitled to participate in, contribute to, and enjoy economic, social, cultural, and political rights during the last 40 years. This vision is reflected in all legislations, policies, and programs, as well as in the preeminent national policy setting documents. Madam Chair, women literacy rate, their share of higher education, and life expectancy show outstanding improvement during the last 40 years, while one of the best performances on reduction of maternal mortality is recorded in Iran. On IT, ICT, the internet penetration, the cell phone and smartphone usage in rural and urban areas are incrementally on a rise with almost negligible gender gap. The Iranian women showcased a growing participation in startups and business in a way that only in the science-intensive business sector 400 genius women are the general managers of our science-intensive companies and 450 are heads of their managing boards. The arrangements such as 270-day paid maternity leave and 2-week paid paternity leave, reduced working hours for women with special circumstances, establishment and expansion of kindergarten, provision of microfinance funds, particularly in rural areas, are aiming at facilitating the economic participation of women. Madam Chair, as a parliamentarian and head of Women Fraction in the Parliament, I am proud of the Iranian women and girls who played a significant role in the sustainable development of their country with courage and perseverance. I am also proud of men and boys of my country who supported the women and girls in their efforts to achieve the milestones against all odds and barriers, including the imposed unilateral sanctions against the Iranians. I avail this opportunity to express my deep concerns about the irresponsible behaviors which undermine and discourage multilateralism, with a negative impact on the status of women all around the world. The unilateral coercive measures and illegal sanctions flagrantly violate the human rights of women and girls, inter alia their right to health, education and food security, and their access to the social protection systems, to public services, and to sustainable infrastructure. In this regard, I would like to draw your attention to the economic war imposed on my people by the US through the imposition of unilateral coercive measures and illegal unilateral sanctions in absolute violation of the International Court of Justice Executive Order issued on 3 October 2018. Before concluding, I also express my delegation's deep dismay on the statement made by French representative during opening session in which she abused her position as President of the Security Council to level intrusive allegations. She is advised to first and foremost address deep social discontent within France rather than meddling in other countries' affairs. Madam Chair, ladies and gentlemen, To sum up, let me reiterate that the Islamic Republic of Iran expresses time and again its commitment to make its best endeavors in order to achieve a decent future for Iranian women and girls and to support family as the basic unit of society. I thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed. And I now have the